Hello, everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and today I want to take a look at a couple of potential setups that I am currently stocking. Two of them involve a potential pullback and two a potential breakout. And I want to start with the pullback and Kiwi Yen. And this is the weekly chart. And as we can see on the weekly chart, we are back into a downtrend. We've got the moving averages 10, 20, 50, all fanning, all in the correct order. And we've got convergence here on the momentum indicators. But what we also have is overextension, meaning quite a distance between where price action sits right now and its moving averages. Now, if we'll take a look, there was a level here that the market has broken and closed below it, and that is in and around the 86.50 area. And what I'm looking for is a pullback into that level and a continuation of this move. If we'll take a look here on the daily chart, we can see that the daily is also back into a downtrend and is also overextended with moving averages 10, 20, 50, fanning and in the correct order, and nice convergence here on the momentum indicators. A similar story is in pound yen, and this is the weekly chart, and the weekly is also back into a downtrend with a nice decisive close below the previous swing low and also this higher low when the market tried to go higher. So I like this area of 190. You can see there have been plenty of touches at that level in the past. So once again, I'm looking for a pullback to test this level from below. And I wouldn't mind in this case if we go a little bit higher in and around the 191 even, and then start to roll over and look for a continuation of this downward move. A quick look at the daily chart, and we can see that the daily is also in a downtrend. We've got momentum indicators converging to the downside, and moving averages are also back into the correct order. Now we can see the touches here over the 190 level, but we can also see we had a couple of touches at the 191 and even higher at this 192. So if we'll get a deeper pullback in the context of this time frame, I'll be also looking for signs that the sellers are returning into the market. So any kind of change of trend, for example, on the lower time frame. Now, if we go back here into the weekly chart, we can see that the next strong level of support and resistance sits around this area of 185. Now, the next market that I want to take a look at is the Russell 2000, and this is the monthly chart. Now, we can see here on the monthly, we've got the moving averages in the correct order, and we also have the momentum indicators converging to the upside. Now, what I also like about this monthly chart is that when we had this very strong push to a higher high, we also made another all-time high. So this high went slightly higher than this previous high. We also pulled back into the averages, and we're currently sitting at the buy zone, that area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages. Taking a look here on the weekly chart, and we can see we had that strong pullback. We made a lower low, and here we made a lower high. However, if the sellers will get stopped around here and the market will push higher and break this previous high, the weekly chart will also be back into an uptrend. Now let's take a look at that level on the daily chart, and you can see here on the daily chart is that we're currently reacting to this level. So if we'll get a bit of compressions of price underneath this level, then I'll be looking for a break of this level and a continuation of the higher time frame move. Now, similar story, looking for a potential breakout is on Aussie Kiwi. Now here I'm looking for something different. The level that I'm looking at is 1.11, but as we can see, we tried to break that level many times in the past and failed. We're again back into this level, but we're still seeing rejection candles of this level. So in this case, what I'm looking for is a break and a close above this level. Then I'll be looking for a pullback to test this level from above. If we'll take a look here on the daily, we can see the many rejections we've got off this level every time the market tried to take this level on. So in this case, unlike in the Russell, when I'm looking for a compression and a break, I want to see first a decisive close above this level. Then I'll be looking for a pullback to test this level from above and a continuation of, again, the higher time frame, longer term trend. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.